Okay, so CAT 22 slot 1 VRC, we are looking at summary types question. The first one. All that we think we know about how life hangs together is really some kind of illusion that we have perpetrated on ourselves because of our limited vision. So basically, can you understand that the first part is only talking about a very limited vision of how life is? Okay. What appears to be inanimate objects such as a stone turn out not only to be alive in the same way as that we are, but also in many infinitesimal ways to be affected by stimuli just as humans are. The distinction between inanimate and animate simply cannot be made when you enter the world of quantum mechanics and try to determine how those apparent subatomic particles, of which you and everything else in our universe is composed of, are all tied together. So a comparison between animate object happening. The point is that physics and metaphysics show that there is a pattern to the universe that goes beyond our capacity to grasp it with our brains. Let's try to answer this thing. Summary types question. The first one says arbitrary distinction between inanimate and animate object disappear at the scale at which quantum mechanics works. Now this is something which I can hold off for the time being. Let's go to the next one. Quantum physics indicates that an astigmatic view of reality results in an erroneous assumption about the universe. First of all, there are no assumption, that to an erroneous assumption. Obviously, there are some caveats given that disappears when we go to the quantum realm, but nothing of errors and anything has been mentioned. The inanimate world is both sentient and cognizant. Is it sentient? Has it got a brain of its own? Is it operating out of consciousness? That is the meaning of sentience. None of that is mentioned, goes out. The effect of stimuli is similar in inanimate object when compared to animate object or living beings. Now please understand, this option A and D obviously can a bit confuse you, but the idea is simply clear that the passage is definitely not on the effect of stimuli. So it cannot just be bogged down to just this much aspect. So for that particular reason, I'll eliminate that also, which makes option number A my answer. Thank you.